While in London, we stayed at the Tower Hotel, which is a Guoman hotel. To get to the entrance, you have to walk to the side of the hotel facing the River Thames. During the day, this area is poppin' with music, food, and drinks. And it's right by the Tower Bridge. On the left and right is the outdoor area of Vicinity, which is one of the hotel's restaurants and bars. And it has a stunning view of the Tower Bridge. And here you can see more of the hotel and its rooms. And here is its main entrance, and only entrance that we know of. Over there we have check-in, then we have stairs up to just the upper floor. It looks like they have a Jack Daniel's hotel bar up there, and they have breakfast. On the weekdays it's from 6:30 to 10:30. The weekends and big holidays it's 6:30 to 11, and it's really cool that they show you when it's kind of like busy, moderate, and quiet. Over there is Eric with the little grab and go. You have Vicinity over there. Again, this is check-in. Back here we have 4 elevators that take you upstairs to your rooms. We have concierge back here. And over here we have the Starbucks. And it is different than Starbucks in America. Their iced coffee Eric got this morning was really small. And they have a different menu. Now, this might be different in a full-size Starbucks because a lot of times Starbucks in a hotel also have a limited menu. But, I mean, it's still good for a quick morning wake-up drink. And a quick crack-and-go section. I had a blueberry muffin this morning, and Eric had a small iced coffee. And now, we are going to take these elevators up to our room. So now time for a room tour. We are room 579. So it looks like you can press if you want like do not disturb room 8, and it like flashes the light out there. And to trigger the lights, you do have to put your card in here. But here we have the bathroom. We got shower gel, oatmeal soap, big mirror. Sorry about the lighting, kind of is like vibrating in here. Toilet, shower. Then we got safe, ironing board and closet, and a mirror. Then here we have the iron, hair dryer, some drawers. Eric chilling in a chair. How's the chair?
Welcome to my crib. How you like my view?
So now we're gonna skip to the view. And this is an upgraded room with a king bed and a good view.
Yeah, they talked me into it at the
Front desk.
At the front desk. That's what 12 hours or more of traveling will do to you, I guess.
Yeah, and London doesn't really believe in air conditioning, so it's hot. But we have the Tower Bridge. We have the, what did you say this one was? Sky Garden. And then we got a telephone. Are these like bedside lights?
Yeah, I think so.
Do I press it? I don't know what that did. This is the lights.
Maybe those control the outlets.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, we have new outlets.
And then what we got over here? A desk. There are these like Nespresso with a Nespresso espresso machine thingy. More drawers. Oh, we even have a kettle in here.
Oh yeah, that was part of the upgrade. There's a fridge and a kettle.
Oh really?
I guess our other room didn't have a fridge or a kettle.
Oh, this one's a stocked fridge.
I think all the drinks are supposed to be included too.
Okay. So let's see what we got. We got one Diet Coke, one Coke, one Sprite, Camden Hell's Lager, I don't know what this is, Gin Diet and Tonic, Gin and Diet Tonic, Decante, this is mineral water. And it tells you what it includes. Should you wish to have additional, please order via in-room dining. So yeah, I guess that's all included. It's kind of cool.
I don't want to check because they're probably expensive enough.
And then a TV. So yeah, for being in London, you have to have like an adapter for US plugs. And it has cool little artwork, like these like little miniatures. And there's like little figurines over by Eric.
Yeah, these are the beef eaters that are at the.
We'll be seeing them tomorrow, right?
Yeah. They live in that house across the street.
And then this is room service. You got some small plates.
Tapas.
Pizza, that's Spanish, sweetie.
Yeah, that's what people call them.
Wines and champagne. Proper burgers. Classics. Sweet sensations. Spirits. And hot and cold drinks. And this is all in London currency, which is like pounds. Okay, so if it's $8 on here, it's like $9.68 US. The one thing we did forget to mention about this hotel room is that it does come with 2 bathrooms. It looks like there's some flip-flops inside, or like slippers. And the shower goes between warm and cold. So even if you put it on, so this is like relatively like warm, almost hot, it still fluctuates warm, cold, warm, cold, warm, cold, which gets really annoying. It kind of doesn't stay at like a constant temperature. So I don't know if all hotels are like that in London, but at least this was. So you see, if you press this button for do not disturb, it shows up here under your phone number.
I feel very safe with a fire door right here and the fire exit.
Oh, that's good. We're just gonna follow Eric. The lights in here do not go well with this.
Do you want to get a better view so that you're not following me?
Oh, I don't care.
I was gonna skip.
Then you realize that you hurt your back the other day.
What's that?
That you hurt your back the other day. They have a little artwork on the walls for boats. Since we're right next to the boats. And now back downstairs.
Please.
Here's the menu for Vicinity. It has 2 different menus. I'm not sure if one is like a special like seasonal menu right now. I really wanted to try one of these desserts, but our server ended up getting moved inside. I think she was taking over for someone on break, and we haven't been able to flag anyone down to serve us right now. Both us and the people next to us have been waiting for a while. And then this is a Bellini, which is peach puree and sparkling wine, and I got it with raspberry. It does. And this is the little store. We have a little self-scanner checkout. You can buy little alcohols.
Plain grilled steak flavor.
Oh, they have little adapters, all the little good stuff. Is this earplugs? Oh, some juices, water, pops, Red Bull, and an Eric. So over here we have Jack Daniel's, the hotel bar. Ooh, chair test. Huh? Stiff?
The next. Slightly better.
Slightly better, okay.
Feels like Grandma's house. Velvet.
Yeah. IX bar.
Z-bar?
I don't know. That's not where you're going, sweetie. And up here we have the Gallery restaurant, where they serve breakfast in the morning. So hopefully one of these mornings we get up early enough to come here to grab a nice good breakfast before we go have our plans for the day. So it looks very nice. Very nice hotel. And here's their menu. They have Jack Daniel's base cocktails, and for appetizer type food, they have wings, spring rolls, and dumplings. Here is our beer and Jack Daniel's cocktail. And this is a view from the outside of our hotel. And this is Eric. Say hi, Eric.
Hello, Eric.
And this is the rest of Jack Daniel's bar. This morning we are at the Galleria for breakfast, which is our hotel breakfast buffet. Right now I'm starting off with bacon, a muffin, a cheese Danish, and a hash brown, and Eric has sausage, baked beans, fried eggs, hash brown, mushrooms, tomatoes, and bacon, which is very close to a traditional English breakfast here. And we also have some juices. And he also got some toast. We have hot sauce and tomato ketchup. We got some fruits, yogurts. They also have some fruit. And marmalade and cereal. We got some tea and coffee. Over here we have some juices. And we did just pass by some of the bread and bakery over here. We had a great stay at the Tower Hotel. It was a great room for the price and location was wonderful. It was right next to the Tower Bridge, Tower of London, and the Tower Hill stop on the Underground. It was also next to a coffee shop and Tesco Express for snacks, beverages, and other items. The room was warm, though it was abnormally hot in London during our trip, and it was pretty quiet and the bed was comfy. The service at some of their restaurants wasn't the greatest, but all in all, we recommend this hotel.